Vygotsky's scaffolding is a concept in developmental psychology proposed by the Russian psychologist Lev Vygotsky. Lev Vygotsky was a prominent Russian psychologist who lived from 1896 to 1934. He's best known for his work in developmental psychology and educational theory. Vygotsky proposed the socio-cultural theory of development, which emphasizes the importance of social interaction, cultural tools, and language in cognitive development. He believed that children learn and develop through interactions with others, particularly more knowledgeable peers or adults, and through participation in cultural activities. His ideas have had a significant influence on fields such as psychology, education, and linguistics. Vygotsky's concept of scaffolding is a key aspect of his socio-cultural theory of development. Scaffolding refers to the support provided by a knowledgeable individual or a more capable peer to help a learner develop new skills or understanding beyond their current level of ability. The term scaffolding metaphorically suggests that this support is temporary and gradually withdrawn as the learner becomes more proficient. Just like the scaffolding around a building is gradually removed as the building becomes structurally sound, the support provided to a learner diminishes as they become more competent and independent. Scaffolding can take various forms, such as breaking a task into smaller, more manageable steps, providing hints or cues, modeling the desired behavior, offering feedback, or asking leading questions. The goal is to help learners bridge the gap between what they can do independently and what they are capable of with assistance, ultimately fostering their cognitive development. Let's go over some examples of scaffolding in different learning contexts. Reading comprehension. 1. Breaking down a complex text into smaller sections and discussing each section with the learner to ensure understanding. 2. Providing guiding questions to help the learner focus on key points or themes in the text. 3. Modeling effective reading strategies such as making predictions or visualizing the text, and then encouraging the learner to use these strategies independently. Mathematics. 1. Presenting a new math concept with concrete manipulatives or visual aids to make it more tangible for the learner. 2. Guiding the learner through step-by-step problem-solving processes, providing hints or prompts when they encounter difficulties. 3. Offering real-life examples or applications of mathematical concepts to help the learner grasp their relevance and utility. Writing. 1. Providing templates or graphic organizers to help the learner structure their writing, e.g. outlines, story maps. 2. Modeling the writing process by thinking aloud while composing a text, demonstrating how to generate ideas, organize thoughts, and revise drafts. 3. Offering constructive feedback on drafts, highlighting strengths and suggesting areas for improvement. Language learning. 1. Immersing the learner in authentic language experiences such as conversations, videos, or texts while providing contextual support, e.g. visual aids, gestures. 2. Using scaffolding techniques like repetition, paraphrasing, or providing synonyms to help the learner expand their vocabulary. 3. Encouraging peer collaboration and interaction where more proficient language speakers provide support and feedback to their peers. Science experiments. 1. Demonstrating the steps of a scientific experiment while explaining the underlying principles and concepts. 2. Guiding the learner through the experimental process, asking leading questions to encourage critical thinking and hypothesis formation. 3. Providing scaffolding tools like experiment protocols, data analysis templates, or concept maps to support understanding and organization. These examples illustrate how scaffolding can be tailored to meet the needs of learners across various subjects and skill levels, ultimately facilitating their learning and development.